Akala ko alam na natin. Ah, doon sa information desk.
Oo, sa information desk. Magtatanong tayo.
Ano ka lang?
Ganda ng halaman, guys. Ganda yung lokal. Tanong natin dito.
Okay, so pupunta kami sa Merlion. Dito tayo. MRT na. To city. Train to city. The Lion.
Kapag may dating na priority. Oo. Lagi, magsaslide yan eh. Yep.
Ano mas sabi mo?
Ha? Mga apartment. First time. True. Saka ang clear nung voice. Unlike... Shh. Ano sasakyan na natin?
EW40.
Let's go. City Hall. Bilisan na lang natin. Kasi, as you can see now, may police sa harap natin. Saka,
Yung naka-white? Do you see it? Tagal mo, babe. Magbababa tayo ng luggage sa stairs. Oh my God. Covered. Okay, so dito kami sa Merlion with our luggages. Kasi ang check-in namin today is at 3 p.m. So, mukha kaming ewan with our luggages. Maria ba isa? Oh, this is so nice! Okay, let's take a photo. Wait lang. Okay, everyone ready?
Nothing could ever keep us from parting, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone, and all I have is time.
trying to do a TikTok and this is the whole situation. Iniiwan lang namin ang aming luggages.
Ha? Ay, gaga.
So, ganyan yan sila guys. Iiwan lang nila yung luggage nila kung saan para mag-picture. Ayun yung dalawa doon, nagpipicture yan sila.
Na wala kang pinapasama-sabi.
Naglalaro yan ng ganda-gandahan. Tapos yung gamit nila, andyan lang oh. Sige, for sale na yan. Wala tayong payong! Wala kaming payong!
Wait lang.
Oh my god! Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not looking. Movie?
Ito na ba pala natin yung direct shaping out.
Game! Tara na! Shocks! Kamusta ka pa, Jess? Si Gab.
Wala na po akong masabi.
Hurt na ako.
At this point, hindi na po dapat pinaplong.
This point?
Huwag na punta na ngayon.
Natutulog na dapat.
Tignan nyo na lang po kami.
Oh my God.
Yun, hindi naman wheelchair friendly.
Grabe, parang papunta naman tayo sa gubat.
Akala ko may training yung magtakas.
Ikaw yung pinaka-train dito, di ba? Ha? Hindi ko sine-check. Kunin mo phone ko. Okay, let's go up.
Vlog mo ko sa kanilang fort.
Punta kami ang Fort Canning Park. Bakit na ako dito eh? Ano ba?
Tapos after na Old Hill Place.
Tapos, mag-check-in kami.
Yan.
Tapos, maliligo.
And then, River Cruise and Gardens by the Bay.
That's our day.
Crazy
Shocked.
Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
Hi guys, so we have given up the line para sa ano tawag dito?
Fort Canning.
Tree tunnel. Kasi wala, it will eat our time and we don't have much time. Ngayon, pupunta kami, mag-check-in na kami sa hotel because we're so tired
Naka tayo.
and sweaty.
Tawid. Talo. Lakad tawid.
Okay, lead the way, V.
Ayoko na.
Gusto niyo mag-grab na lang?
Need oxygen.
Pagod na kami guys. Alam mo yung the more na nagpapahinga ka na yun, mas lalo namin nararamdaman yung pagod. And sa sobrang haba ng pila sa Fort Canning.
Not okay. Hindi siya mapakalayo.
Mag-
So, umuulan. At wala kayong masunod. Wala kayong payong. Nag-aantay kami ng taxi para maka-check-in.
8 minutes.
Nothing seems to be working out right for us today. Hindi ko na alam.
Ano yan? Coleman Street.
Ang weather dito ay very much like the Philippines. Super.
And para rin yung girlfriend mo na may top.
Yeah, on and off. Rain.
Moody. Unpredictable.
Ang hirap. Ang hirap gala-gala.
Right.
And
when it-
nakasilong lang kami sa tree. Nababasa pa rin kami. Basta kayo dyan, guys!
Ito mo siya.
Kaya na si Bia yung galit-galit. Yan! Masaya na ako! 1-1 na siya. Nagalit na si Bia kanina. 1. Strike 1. Si Jess nagalit na siya. Strike 2. Wala pa ko strike. Wala pa sigaw.
Tayo naglakad.
Sige, syempre, masaya nag-aakit.
Uy, tignan mo yung bigat ng dala natin. Since 10 a.m. naglalakad tayo eh.
Kami nga, what?
Oo nga.
Gusto mo muna mag-lip
Wala,
balm?
grabe. Umaraw na.
Sige, mamaya na maliligo na rin.
Umaraw na ulit.
Wala, pang
How nice. So, ininis lang talaga tayo doon sa part na yun, no?
Tinetest lang yung patience natin.
At na-prove na wala si Jess.
Nandito na kami sa hotel namin. But something unexpected came up. So when we first booked yung hotel namin, good for 3 lang kasi yung room. Then, now, na nasa hotel na kami, we're not allowed to pay for an extra person. So, we're trying to find ways. BDO, we find ways. So, nung nasa Grab taxi kami kanina, winarningan kami ng driver kasi yung hotel namin nasa Lolong 16 ba? Tama ba? 14. Yan, 14. So, sabi niya sa amin, huwag kami pupunta dun sa Lolong 16, 18.
You reach there. Go Lolong 16, 18, 20. These 3 Lolong, you don't go. You
Why
go 14.
why we don't go?
Because
Bad people?
16, 18, 20 is the girl positive.
Oh, okay. Thank you for the
You
warning.
don't go there.
So, sabi niya sa amin, huwag kami pumunta doon. Winarningan niya kami. At the same time, sabi niya, huwag naman kami mag-alala kasi may police cars naman na umiikot doon sa area na yun. So, safe pa rin naman kami if ever na mapunta kami doon. Pero, he strictly said na huwag kami pupunta doon. Tapos ngayon, may problema kami sa hotel namin where we ended up paying around 1,200 SGD.
Almost twice na.
Almost twice ng original payment namin. So ngayon, nag-aalala na kami na parang we spent a lot na at kulang na kami ng pera. Tapos nag-flashback lahat ng sinabi ng driver
These 3
sa amin.
Lolong, you don't go.
Imbes na iwasan. Baka pumunta. Nag-volunteer.
Nagkaroon na na idea.
Thank you po.
Double meaning yung thank you natin sa
Nag-thank you kami kanina kasi nga nag-warning siya. Tapos ngayon, noted po. Next stop.
thank you kami kasi nagbinigyan ka na.
No. We're finally. Aray ko, sorry. Parang ayaw mo ako papasukin, Jade.
Tinawanan pa yun, yung gusto.
Ayaw mo
Ay, ano pa
papasukin.
siya?
Ay, naku, this will be
Naka-ano siya?
memorable.
At tinetest talaga yung ano natin.
Okay lang yan, kala nila.
Oh, pero
Magiging masaya pa rin ako.
nagka-idea tayo kung paano natin mababawi.
Sino ang magkakaibigan na kumuha ng dalawang magkahiwalay na room?
None other than
Bigyan ba natin isa?
panligo.
Pangligo.
Panligo, tama.
Parang
tama.
magkakasama naman tayo. Oo, naman yun.
Diba?
Kahit siksikan.
Kahit siksikan. Saan tayo? Ang number?
Ano, 13? 4. 4
Wait lang, dapat may isang mabilis
14
kumilos, tapos isang hindi. Yun yung partner dapat.
Oh, ano na?
So that magkahiwalay tayo, Maris.
Tayo na mag-partner kasi mamagal ka alam ko.
Okay, tayo, B.
13,
Sige.
14.
Hi, come on in.
Prepared.
714.
Prepared. First stop. CR. Ay, may towel. Nice.
Yeah, what we don't have, they do.
Exactly. Wala silang toothpaste. Wait lang, girl. May dental kit.
Oh, I have a toothbrush.
Oh.
Hindi ko gagamitin yung
Toothbrush.
needed.
Pero walang toothpaste. Ay, hindi. I-unpack natin. Uy.
What is this? Yes. Meron na pa.
Meron kayong dental kit, no?
Saan?
Ito.
Ba't kami wala?
Lo.
Ito. Meron onting
Gano'n kaliit yung toothpaste?
soft bristle. Maliit siya talaga. Like it.
Good for 4 nights? Lo.
Oh, kami lang yung
Lo.
favorite. I'm sorry.
Magsistay.
Oh, magreklamo tayo.
Tanong mo doon sa reception. Lo.
Did you see that? Did you see
Did you
that?
see that?
That's Jasmine.
Tapos, meron silang shampoo shower gel. Nice. Yung room nila just walang complimentary coffee and tea. Kami meron.
We're the favorite.
The favorite.
We have tissue. Ubusin
We have
namin ito.
tissue.
Akala nila dyan.
Our hair dryer is over here. I don't know what this is.
What's that? It's supposed to be where you put it.
Get the luggage.
I think. Oh, we have
4 hangers. And then our table.
Oh, we have charging
We have our
ports.
charging
Oh,
ports over
yes,
here.
I have to charge.
Me too. And then the bed. The mirror. Yeah, so that's everything sa room tours namin. Yeah, it's simple,
I
but
have a mirror here.
the main purpose is to sleep. But we spent a lot.
A lot!
Pero don't worry, nakahanap
It's
na kami ng
okay.
option paano mababawi yung ano.
It's okay. The solution is just somewhere
Yes,
around the
just-
corner.
Sa kabilang street lang. Dinala ko. Hi, balag. Hoy,
Paano hindi na kayo
Prep room, doon yung tulugan.
Di ba ibibigay ka?
Ano bibigay mo? Alam ko na yan. Quintas.
Ba't mo alam?
Nakatulad kay Jade.
Ito alam.
Nakakalata na ako kanina. Wow! Thank you very much! Bakit hindi yung binibidyo? Ano ka video?
Di ba yun? Ang ganda na ng reaction niya. Bakit hindi yung binibidyo? Grabe, 1 year na yan.
Oo, ano yan?
1 year na yan.
Tala!
Yep.
Ang ganda ng packaging nila. Ano to? Ikaw nagpagawa nito?
No, naka-ano na yan.
Ayun na, thanks
Look at
na.
this.
So lahat tayo may ganito? Pati si Gam? Asan yung kanya?
Nandun sa bag.
So, tara suotin natin. Tapos
Yeah,
picture.
later.
Ay, cute. Thank you, V.
Magkailangan mo siya. It's
It's a pinky promise.
Yeah.
Kayo lang. Sa akin, ganun joke lang.
Bago, may delphin na.
Nice. Thank
Alam ko
you.
yung ilaw dito. Anong
So,
ilaw?
tingnan-
tagal ko na nga nakakip eh.
As in 1 year na.
Buti hindi ka katulad ko, no? Pagka meron akong ano talaga sasabi,
Tapos
Ako.
yan yung kinikip niya pa niya. Dapat ipapadala niya.
Oo, tapos ipapadala.
Pero nagalit siya sa'yo. Tapos ipapadala niya with a letter.
Tapos nag-change siya yung mind.
Tapos nung nawala yung galit niya.
Oo.
Kasi nawala yung kinagagalit niya.
buti na
So,
lang.
wala yung source.
So, ayun, natanggap ko na siya, Jess. That's the story.
Ang haba ng pinagdaanan.
Ang tagal na pinagdaanan ng kwento.
Mahigit 1 taon.
Thank you. Upstairs? Upstairs, upstairs. Let's go this way. Wait, go.
What is this? Where are we?
Bababa tayo sa
Ilang stop?
Off-War Memorial Park.
Girls Night Out! That's the National Stadium!
Hiningal ako yun.
cruise. We're gonna go cruising. What a life. We have the best spot.
Side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome love, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
Wow, ang ganda niya sa
Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memory, washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love.
The test of time. All friendships get that. But what my friends and I got was both the test of time and the test of distance.
Bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love.
Our friendship does not tell a story of togetherness, but rather a story of distance and of breaking all its boundaries.
Folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me.
It could be that our distance is the best thing to happen to us, because not being together gave us the longing to be together.
Memory, washed in every shade of green and all the colors.
It may have broken us apart, but it made our choice to be each other's best friends stronger. In spite of, regardless, despite, even if.
Losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view. Sleeping in the afternoon.
I used to be sad that I lived my life away from my best friends. But I think it doesn't really matter whether or not I have spent or could spend my days with them.
So, magalit ka, nagsayang ka ng energy, wala kang magagawa talaga.
That's your
What matters the most was that I choose to make them a part of my life, and likewise, they choose me to be a part of theirs.
a cure for the air conditioning blues.
At least for over 7 years now, that's one choice we have and are still making.
A little bit of
Kayahin mo yung ngiti.
fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
God, maraming masasabi.
Talk to me. Tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love.